Okay, guys, so I'm Chris Dixon, obviously. But we are back, and first I want to share with you guys a clip from the Weather Channel, and then I have This Is Why We're Happy Today. Okay, so that's all we wanted to say today because there is a huge storm coming. While I'm at it, I forgot to pull one of my tabs up that we're going to look at the SPC, but we'll get to that here in a little bit. I was going to show you guys the radar, and this is free meteorological workstation. You can have like 5 different radar things up at once, and I got on this morning, and you can see on that red line at the top it says SIMUAwips remains offline and unfunctional as of 5/9/15. So it says please do not attempt to register. Wow, I can totally talk today. Or use the site. So I was very like, what the crap? So that definitely is sad because now we can't use that as much as I would like because that's good. But yeah, so our 7 day forecast looking pretty good the next few days. Thunderstorms likely all those times. And I'm just going to go back and forth because, other things, that loaded quicker than what I thought. But I did want to take a look at the radar here. So the radar is showing these storms here in Kansas, Nebraska, Oklahoma area that we are watching. Very strong, probably stronger even to the south than here. And then you see all these scattered storms. That one hit us earlier, hard rain. But I think that's cooling itself off. But there are plenty of little scattered things, so rain possible throughout the day today. And that should continue for a while. Then we go to the SPC. Here's where you see that we have moderate, and then tomorrow we have a slight, and then a marginal after that. And we'll go through here. Here's our moderate. You can see chance of tornado, 15% there in the middle. That's a huge area, 15%, and then significant inside of that because that's where it's dashed, and I think the 10% is also dashed. So I think there will be a tornado today. I don't know if my shoulder is getting in the way when I'm using the computer, but I don't know. So then the focus shifts slightly to the north, and then once again the storms originate in southern Texas, and then they go in generally that direction like they have been, and then they curve over and then might hit us. We're like right there, right on the edge. Let's see what they say. They do not include Columbus, Ohio, so I'm going to say that we aren't there, even though we are north of Columbus, Ohio. So I'm not 100% sure. Last thing for the day, they have just added the heat index in. Actually, I'm not going to make this last thing today. They have added the heat index in. They have taken the wind chill out. It is officially warm here. So that's a good thing. Rain and thunder throughout the day today. Obvious. Y'all remember Tropical Storm Anna, Subtropical Storm Anna. So we'll head back here. Eastern Pacific hurricane season started yesterday. Nothing has formed yet there. But remember, this is El Nino, so I wouldn't doubt it if there are a whole bunch of storms. I'm going to expect this to be way above average. Ooh, and also, Well, I'm mad. I found a glitch. So here, I'm going to take this off because it's easier to look at. Look, everything's underlined in red. Like, it's all underlined in red. So, I don't know what's going on, but it's all underlined in red. Yeah, in the background you see my old, the old tropical map that I used before I went downstairs, and I used a different tropical map. Same type, though. So, and then in the Atlantic, nothing to look at. And that season starts June 1st.